When I got up on Thanksgiving morning, things just weren't right. And I felt a little bit spacey, a little bit dizzy. I just felt weak on my entire left side. We've been around long enough. When you're 75, you can figure out, geez, this might be a stroke. We went to high school together. I was a football player and a baseball player. Vicki was a cheerleader. We've been married for 54 years. Vicki was going to spend about 10 hours in the kitchen making Thanksgiving dinner. I didn't want to upset things too much or generate a whole lot of complications. So I mentioned to Vicki and our son that I didn't feel quite right.
And I said, I think you need to be seen. He said, okay, but I'm not going anywhere till tomorrow morning. 7 years ago, Don was diagnosed with CLL that turned into lymphoma. The stroke came on top of the cancer, which was certainly a lot. I'm a 2-time cancer survivor, so we are not strangers to Penn State.
Hi, Dr. Perry.
Hello, hello.
So good to see you.
When I met Dr. Perry for the first time, he and I hit it off very, very well. He's very straightforward, doesn't have an arrogant bone in his body, but he's very, very confident.
To have the opportunity to come back and treat the community where I grew up in was a no-brainer for me. When these symptoms come on, you don't know how large your stroke is. In that situation, it really could be dire that you get help as fast as possible. Carotid artery disease is plaque buildup essentially in the carotid artery. People most at risk of it are people that smoke, one of the #1 causes, hypertension, end-stage renal disease, and age.
Vascular surgeons deal with all the blood vessel problems of the body. The vascular surgeons and surgical oncologists will work together to take care of the cancer and make sure the blood flow is maintained.
Us working as a unit is the most important thing for that patient's care. TCAR is a transcarotid artery revascularization. Essentially, it's a carotid stent. It is more minimally invasive, but it's a hybrid approach.
Vascular surgery is 100% a team sport. You can't do it without your entire team. And everyone's role is equally as important for successful surgery.
Healthcare providers from all different walks get together and provide the best care for our patients.
Both my cancer doctor and my vascular doctor were very, very open and collaborative. That gave me a big peace of mind. My strength has come back pretty quickly. The other phrase that we have that I took to heart was, you got through this, enjoy life now.
Don's doing excellent today. His symptoms of the stroke are almost completely resolved. His incision's very well healed.
I owe my life to the vascular team. I'm alive because they did a good job. I think I'm taking life at a little more leisurely pace since the stroke, maybe smelling the roses a little bit more.
We are more than grateful for all the care we both have received from Penn State.
Steer yourself toward Penn State Health. I don't care who your doctor is, go there.